Do you recommend the Insta360 Go 2 or Insta360 One X2 camera? It really depends. Both cameras I really like. I mean, since I have both, I actually carry both. However, it really depends. If you like all these Insta360 app or short lap features, I think Insta360 One X definitely makes most use out of it. However, I have to say Insta360 Go 2, because it's magnetic, I do stick it everywhere. So I chose to show you guys. Right now, you know, I do have my little light. So here, you know, this is magnetic. So you can just stick here. And then, so I've been actually sticking my Insta360 Go 2. If I go ride bicycle, then I'll stick it here and then speak to the camera in this direction. So that was really convenient.